Have you heard about Slay the Spray? It's the world's largest spray tanning expo, 7 years running. And this year's Slay the Spray 2023 is coming to a star-studded Los Angeles, California at the world-famous Hilton LAX. It's going to be the most exciting year yet. From November 10th to November 12th, you can spend the weekend amongst the hottest names in the sunless industry. We're rolling out the red carpet for celebrity spray tanning artists like Jimmy Coco, Fabiola Trujillo, and many, many more. Plus, throughout this weekend, you can connect with 200 spray tanning professionals from all across the globe, expanding your network and expanding your net worth. This 3-day expo is packed with inspiring and informative events that are sure to help you level up your spray tanning business. On day one, we are hosting 3 certification trainings so you can get certified as a beginner, master, or competition tanning artist. At night, we will be celebrating our Night with the Stars themed cocktail party. Think red carpet, celebrity status, Oscars, Met Gala attire. You're going to want to be there, best dressed and with your best sunless tan so you can mingle with the hottest names in the sunless industry. On day 2, learn next level sunless skills and techniques. You'll be able to listen in on some of the best sunless artists in the world as they share their secrets to massive success in this industry with you. Get ready to advance your sunless education so you can go home ready to slay the spray in a new and exciting way. What better way to learn how to perfect your craft than learning by Kim Kardashian's, Heidi Klum, and Kendall Jenner's spray tanning artists? On day 3, we'll focus in on business and marketing and mindset. Discover coveted 7-figure sunless secrets as you undergo a mindset transformation to unleash your inner spray tan boss. This incredible Slay the Spray weekend ends with a vibrant closing ceremony, complete with prize giveaways worth thousands and thousands of dollars. But that's not all. When you register as a VIP attendee, you'll get the exclusive opportunity to spend lunch with Jimmy Coco, Fabiola Trujillo, and me, Kelly Callahan, the founder of Slay the Spray and owner of 4 sunless businesses, including the world-renowned Spray Tan Class. So don't miss your chance to level up your spray tanning business. Whether you're a seasoned sunless pro or just getting started on your spray tanning business, Slay the Spray can take your sunless business to new heights. Join us for Slay the Spray 2023 at the Hilton LAX, Los Angeles, California, November 10th to the 12th, 2023. Register now before seats run out. We are almost sold out, so don't miss your chance to get exclusive sunless training from the world's top sunless leaders. There will never be the same speaking lineup as we have for 2023, and you need to be a part of it. Register your in-person or in-home virtual ticket at slaythespray.com. And remember, don't spray it, slay it.